Hello, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at rapamycin, a drug that's been making headlines as a potential breakthrough in anti-aging research. Can this drug really help you live longer? Let's break down the science and separate the hype from the truth. First, let's start with the basics. Rapamycin was originally discovered in the 1970s from soil samples on Easter Island. Pretty cool, right? Initially, it was developed as an immunosuppressant to help prevent organ transplant rejection. But now, researchers have found that rapamycin could do more than protect transplant patients. It might actually slow down the aging process. So, how does it work? Rapamycin targets a cellular pathway called mTOR, which stands for Mechanistic Target of Rapamycin. This pathway is involved in cell growth, metabolism, and aging. mTOR helps cells grow when nutrients are abundant, but overactivity in this pathway is linked to aging and age-related diseases. Rapamycin slows down this process by inhibiting mTOR, putting the body in a kind of conservation mode, allowing cells more time to repair and maintain themselves instead of rapidly aging. Here's where it gets exciting. Animal studies have shown that rapamycin can extend lifespan in mice by up to 30%. That's a huge leap in the world of aging research. And it's not just mice. Similar effects have been observed in other species like worms and flies. The drug appears to delay age-related conditions like cancer, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Okay, so we know rapamycin works in animals, but what about humans? That's where things get a little more complicated. Rapamycin is already approved for human use, but mostly in very specific contexts, like preventing organ rejection or treating certain cancers. But the doses used for those treatments are much higher than what would be considered for anti-aging purposes. High doses of rapamycin can suppress the immune system, which might lead to increased infection risk. So, finding the right balance is key. Despite these challenges, researchers are optimistic about rapamycin's potential to help people live longer, healthier lives. In smaller, controlled doses, the drug may protect against diseases associated with aging, such as Alzheimer's, cancer, and heart disease. It could also improve overall health span, the period of life spent in good health, which is just as important as living longer. Believe it or not, some people are already using rapamycin off-label to try to slow down aging. Doctors and biohackers alike are experimenting with low doses to see if it improves their health and longevity. But here's the thing. While early results are promising, we don't yet have long-term studies to fully understand the effects of rapamycin on human aging. So, if you're thinking about trying it, make sure you consult with a doctor who's familiar with the research. As with any drug, rapamycin comes with risks. Common side effects can include mouth sores, high cholesterol, and an increased risk of infections due to its immune-suppressing effects. That's why it's crucial to weigh the benefits and risks with your healthcare provider before considering rapamycin for longevity purposes. While rapamycin is still being studied, it's part of a larger movement toward finding drugs that can extend human lifespan. Researchers are looking at other mTOR inhibitors and combination therapies that could be even more effective with fewer side effects. Over the next few years, we'll likely see more clinical trials focused on rapamycin's impact on aging. If these trials are successful, we could be one step closer to a future where living past 100 in good health is a reality. So, should you start taking rapamycin to extend your life? Right now, we don't have enough evidence to recommend it as a mainstream treatment for aging. But if you're interested, it's worth keeping an eye on the ongoing research. For now, the best advice is to focus on proven strategies for longevity like regular exercise, a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. Rapamycin is one of the most exciting drugs in aging research, but we're still at the early stages of understanding how it works in humans. Whether it becomes a breakthrough treatment remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure, it's opening up new possibilities in the quest to extend healthy human lifespan. What do you think about rapamycin? Are you excited about the future of anti-aging research? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.